260 calories.
Let's see. I don't know how to use it. There we go. 31.
This is like a nicer building.
Yeah.
Sign in?
Yep, sign in and
Yeah, people were asking like if you could win the cars here. So,
In person?
so the answer is yeah, if you bid on the computer.
On a loophole. Alright, let's see. What's the bid on it right now? 46K.
On approval. Go to the interior pic, like it has kilometers for some reason. Is it from Canada?
Nah, it's just
Why isn't it miles?
because it's a Italian car. Oops. Copart. Now the next car we're gonna look at is totally different ball game. 2006.
Okay, I'll stop recording at this. Truck entrance.
What's up with the Model T?
They treat the cars a lot better than New York. You know, it's not in the snow. Unlocked.
It's probably gonna start.
Here, put it in your pocket. It doesn't fit in mine. This is a 14.
Yeah. I don't wanna break your gimbal. Oh.
Well, we don't know why it's here.
Can't find it? Can't find the trunk, the hood latch?
No.
That's trunk.
Go on a Doug DeMuro video.
I'm not gonna go on Doug DeMuro video. What up, remember? Alright, now we gotta pop it.
That.
No, they can.
To pop the hood, it's this.
Dang, I can't believe this. A front engine Ferrari? You gonna check the fluids right now?
Yeah.
It's pretty freaking clean.
Chassis number.
So where's the dipstick?
Right there.
Don't drip it on the track. Oh no, it looks good. It's
Yeah,
perfectly right in the
perfect
middle.
level.
Yeah.
It looks new.
Yeah. It's a clean title. Alright.
Coolant overflow is good too.
Alright, let's go. Let's start it. Wait, I'll keep this open in case you need to jump.
Turn off the radio. Copyright.
Alright, I'm gonna try to start it right now.
Regular cold start. No rattling or anything. Slam it harder. Wait, you have to slam it. Check if all the signals work. Do a quick rev.
Alright, we're